Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to a hosted email address in the Conversations inbox in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the different tools and features available. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options listed vertically. Click on CRM from this menu and then click on Inbox. This will take you to the Conversations inbox area where you can manage all your email communications and customer interactions in one centralized location. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find an option labeled Inbox Settings. Click on this to open up the configuration area where you can customize how your inbox operates and connect different email channels to it. Once you're in the Inbox Settings panel, find the section called Channels. This is where you'll be able to add new email connections to your HubSpot inbox. Click on Connect a Channel to proceed. This opens up a window showing you all the different types of channels you can integrate with your inbox. From the available options, click on Team Email. This option allows you to set up an email address that multiple team members can access and respond from, making it perfect for shared inboxes like support or sales teams. Next, you'll see several mail account options. Click on Other Mail Account. This selection lets you connect email providers that aren't directly listed in the standard options, giving you more flexibility in how you set up your hosted email integration. At this point, you'll see a drop-down menu for From Name. Click on this drop-down and select Company Name. This ensures that when emails are sent from this inbox, recipients will see your company name as the sender, which helps maintain professional branding and consistency in your communications. Now move down to the From Address field. Here you have two options to choose from. You can either click Use Default, which applies HubSpot's standard email address format, or you can click Customize From Address if you want to use a specific email address that matches your company domain. Choose whichever option works best for your needs. After configuring the From address, click the Next button at the bottom of the screen. This saves your current settings and moves you forward to the next configuration step. On this next screen, you'll see a toggle button for automatically assign conversations. If you want HubSpot to automatically distribute incoming emails to available team members, click this toggle to turn it on. This feature helps ensure that no messages go unanswered and that your team's workload is balanced. Once you've made your selection, click Next to continue. Now you'll see your forwarding address displayed on the screen. This is the unique email address that HubSpot has generated for your inbox. You can copy it for later use, or if you prefer, you can customize it to make it easier to remember or more aligned with your company's naming conventions. Next, find the drop-down menu that says Select an Email Provider. Click on this drop-down to see the available options. From the list, choose your email provider. For example, if you're using Google Groups, select that option. Once you've made your selection, HubSpot will display specific steps that are tailored to connecting that particular email provider. Follow these steps carefully to complete the integration process. After you've completed the provider-specific setup steps, click Connect and Finish. This finalizes the connection between your hosted email address and your HubSpot Conversations inbox, allowing all forwarded emails to flow directly into your HubSpot account. And that's it. You've successfully set up email forwarding to your hosted email address in the Conversations inbox in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.